Welcome to the future of elite travel. This is the Mercedes Benz CELESTIAL CRUISER 2026. If you're enjoying this luxury experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.
Hello dear, welcome to the future of elite travel and next-generation luxury living on wheels. Today we proudly present the Mercedes Benz CELESTIAL CRUISER 2026, a next-generation luxury motorhome designed for those who demand power, prestige, and perfection on every journey. This is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of lifestyle, freedom, and uncompromising excellence. The CELESTIAL CRUISER stands as a true luxury road explorer, blending cutting-edge engineering with timeless Mercedes-Benz elegance to redefine what premium travel truly means. Positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, the Mercedes-Benz CELESTIAL CRUISER 2026 carries an estimated price of around $835,000, with overall configurations reaching well beyond $1 million depending on customization and interior selections. Every detail is crafted to reflect exclusivity, refinement, and modern innovation. This motorhome is built for those who expect more from the road, more from comfort, and more from design. Let's begin with power and performance. This next-generation motorhome features a massive petrol engine designed for extended long-distance travel without frequent refueling. Built on a reinforced Mercedes heavy-duty platform, the CELESTIAL CRUISER delivers smooth acceleration, exceptional road stability, and confident handling across highways and demanding terrains. Whether cruising effortlessly or navigating challenging routes, the driving experience remains composed, powerful, and remarkably refined. Moving to the front design, the CELESTIAL CRUISER immediately commands attention. The bold Mercedes-Benz grille with illuminated branding creates a striking presence, complemented by sharp aerodynamic lines and advanced LED matrix headlights. The sculpted hood is engineered for airflow efficiency while maintaining a strong, luxurious character that turns heads wherever it travels. Step inside, and the experience transforms completely. The extra-wide, open interior feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wood panels, and soft-touch materials surround you, while panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light. The driver's cabin features a fully digital Mercedes-Benz cockpit with smart displays, advanced navigation, AI-assisted controls, and a luxury steering system designed for effortless control and precision. Intelligent space planning creates a calm, open, and ultra-luxurious atmosphere throughout. This is not simply transportation, it is a complete luxury lifestyle on wheels. The Mercedes-Benz CELESTIAL CRUISER 2026 represents freedom, innovation, and next-generation travel for those who refuse to compromise. We enter the luxury bedroom, a private retreat centered around a king-size bed with plush fabrics, padded leather walls, refined wood accents, and warm indirect lighting. Large windows provide gentle daylight while integrated storage maintains a clean, hotel-like environment. Next is the TV lounge, a sophisticated entertainment space featuring a large high-definition smart television, premium surround sound, luxurious reclining sofas, and subtle ambient lighting, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. In the luxury kitchen, high-end built-in appliances, sleek cabinetry, premium countertops, and intelligent storage allow effortless meal preparation without sacrificing style or comfort. The luxury bathroom delivers a spa-like experience with premium fixtures, a modern shower, refined finishes, and soft ambient lighting for comfort and privacy.
Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more premium next-generation motorhome reveals, and continue exploring luxury without limits.